In this video, we're fixing up the cheapest 2010 and up Toyota Prius. Now, if you watched the video a while ago in the series, it was me purchasing this Prius, super nice, for just $4,000. But wait, there's more. Of course, there's a catch. There was a reason that I was able to get it so cheap. I still think it was severely under market value. However, it did need a new battery and a water pump in a pretty intensive detail. So with that in mind, I want to show you the entire journey, everything that I either A, hired out, or B, did myself, or C, with some friends with the help of the besties to get this thing squared away, looking solid and running beautifully. So with that in mind, let's get into it. So here are the trouble codes. This is for the water pump and this is for the battery. So we have a couple different codes on and we're gonna get it sorted now. There's the new battery going in. There's the old one that's about to get taken out. And that's all I have to do, which is pretty incredible. Now I'm just gonna head back out in about an hour. He said the whole job takes roughly an hour and a half. Since it's been diagnosed, he can just rip the old battery out, throw the new one back in, and it should all be good. We'll go for a test drive, clear the codes, make sure that everything is fine. But the battery, there we go. The battery has a 1-year, 20,000 mile warranty in case anything goes wrong with it. So there's really gonna be no issue after this point with this new battery installed. How's it going?
Almost done.
Sweet. There's the old battery taken out. Here is the new one that just got put in. Boom, so we got the sandwich, a protein bar, a bottle of water, and a big bottle of ice water. I guess we're checking it. Just wanted to head out there really quick for a progress update and realized, oh, he's probably hungry and thirsty, so offered some grub. So treat whoever's working for you, with you, well. Recommendation and advice of the day. Minty, minty, minty. All set, food is cleared, good deal. You said turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on.
Just neutral?
Yeah, and you know, just put the gas on so it will gonna run.
And it's flashing a triangle. Oh, we're good.
There you go, because I gotta check the water pump. Just push the gas.
Okay. Testing the water pump right now. Here we are just going on a quick test drive to make sure that the battery was put in correctly on my end, and then also he wanted to make sure that all of the system components were communicating well and that the job went exactly as it should. And good news, of course it did. So everything went super smoothly, test drive went great. I of course have the warranty on the battery pack as well that would cover labor too. So everything was in the clear, I paid for it. Just shy of $1,000 and we were on the way. So now we have the Pre. We're working on the NSX in here. I just got the water pump replaced. This one was having issues. It's too tense, it's too firm. I think it's the original 162,000 mile water pump. So I just got this shiny new one thrown in. Going to have to find the plug it in, hope that it works after I get everything bolted down and torqued, and then on to the NSX. I know that I'm really bad about documenting when I'm working on stuff. I just get wrapped up kind of in the heat of the moment when I'm changing something out and I don't feel like grabbing the camera and filming. I have the little GoPro rig that I could theoretically use or set up, but unless I'm doing a time lapse, which is pretty hard to film in an engine bay and do, it's not like I'm trying to reach for the camera and then reach for different tools and then follow the instructions. There's just too much to think about, which is why Historically, I'm so bad at documenting, but I'm trying to be a real YouTuber and get some more footage and content of me actually doing things, working on the car. This is a cool view. Should I just set the camera like that so you can see the water pump right here? So we got it all fixed with just 1,300 bucks. Now, when we got the car, it looked okay, drove fine, wouldn't pass emissions, but was nothing spectacular. Now, after having invested the money and the time, it's an incredible car that now, as of recording this today, I filmed this a long time ago. It's been incredibly reliable for years, which is amazing. It's worth even more than we paid for it now because the used car prices have shot up like crazy. But despite that, despite market conditions, we bought it so cheaply for $4,000 and had to inject that other little bit of money in, bringing the total cost to about 5,500 bucks. But that's still a stellar deal on an incredibly awesome running Prius with all of this recent maintenance that had just gotten done. Anyway, if you like this video, drop a like, drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, if you thought this was helpful, insightful, valuable in any way, and most importantly, if you're interested in learning how to drive your next vehicle at no net cost or even profitably, then hit the link down below or check out automotivemoney.com. With that in mind, I will see you on the next one. Peace.